Welcome. If you've been thinking about updating your Pinterest password, you're in the right place. Whether you just want to strengthen your account security or you've simply forgotten your old password, changing it only takes a few quick steps. Let's go through the process together, step by step. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once inside, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see your boards, pins, and account details. Next, move your eyes to the top right of that same screen. There, you'll notice a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on it. From the list of options that appears, select Account Management. This is where you'll be able to control and adjust vital account details, including your password. Now, within the Account Management section, find and tap on Password. This will open up a space where you'll be asked to enter your current password first. Typing your old password confirms that this really is you making the change. After that, type in the new password you'd like to set. Make sure it's unique, strong, and something you can remember, but not too easy for others to guess. Once you've typed in your new password, Pinterest will ask you to confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field. This step prevents accidental typos and ensures that your new password is locked in the way you intended. Finally, review everything you've typed, and when you're ready, hit the option to save or confirm. Once that's done, your Pinterest password will officially be updated, and that's it. Just a few taps, and you're all set with a fresh, secure password. Taking a moment to update it now is a great way to protect your account and enjoy peace of mind while browsing, saving, and organizing ideas on Pinterest. Keep your password safe, change it from time to time, and you'll always be in control of your account.